Alright, let's talk about the third public cloud platform, that is Google Cloud Platform or GCP. So this is the third most famous cloud platform. There are numerous others as well, but we are going to talk about only three. We have already talked about AWS and Azure. Now let's see how GCP ranks as compared to AWS and Azure. So GCP is a collection of cloud computing services that runs on the same infrastructure such as Google Search, Gmail, Google Drive and YouTube. So you will be utilizing the same infrastructure which is utilized by these famous services. It was initially as a software as a service where you had the app engine and etc. But now they transformed it into complete platform as a service, as well as you can get serverless as well as infrastructure as a service in form of the virtual machines. As of Q1 2020, Google Cloud Platform is available in 25 regions and 70 zones and supports more than 100 services. So some of the famous services are App Engine, which is a platform as a service, then Compute Engine, which is infrastructure as a service. Now GKE, which is Google Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Functions, which is function as a service, similar to what AWS Serverless is, and Cloud Run, which is Knative. Now this is on the database side and storage side. You have Cloud Storage for Object, Cloud SQL for database as a service, Bigtable for managed NoSQL, Store for NoSQL, and Memory Store for Redis and Memcache. And on the network side, you have VPC similar to what AWS VPC has, and Cloud Load Balancing, Cloud Armor, which is a web application firewall, and Cloud CDN, which is a content delivery network, and Cloud DNS, which is the managed authoritative DNS. So let's see Google Cloud Services in detail. Alright, so I'm here on the Google Cloud website, and if you go on products, you will see you will have Compute Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, Operations, Cloud Run, BigQuery, Cloud Storage, Cloud SDK, Cloud CDN, and 100 plus other products. So these are the complete details you can utilize for AI and machine learning, compute, containers, data analytics, databases, etc. And if you want to try Google Cloud, you will get around 20 plus free products and $300 in free credits. So this is very useful if you want if you just want to try and have a hands-on on Google Cloud Platform. So as we have already seen, most of the cloud platform, the public cloud platform already have some sort of free tier, and where you can go ahead and try their services for free. Now in this free tier products, you have all these free tier available. So I would recommend you, if you are interested in Google Cloud Platform, go ahead and try it out, and it would be very helpful for you. I've added the links in the resources section for your ease, so just go ahead and click it and you would be redirected to the required page. Alright, so let's talk about the GCP certification. Similar to what Azure and AWS, Google Cloud Platform also has some sort of certification, and the list is here. Associate Cloud Engineer, Professional Data Engineer, Machine Learning, Cloud Architect, Developer, Cloud Network Engineers, Cloud Security Engineer, Collaboration Engineer, and Cloud DevOps Engineer. And the certification are hierarchically divided into three categories: Foundational, Associate, and Professional. So Cloud Engineer is the associate level, and then you have Professional like Cloud Architect, Cloud Developer, and Data Engineer. And then Cloud DevOps Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer, Cloud Network Engineer, Machine Learning Engineer, and Collaboration Engineer. So these are the GCP certification that you can go ahead and study about. And in case you are interested to learn more about this certification, I would recommend you first go to the free tier, try the products, and then you would be able to study for the certification using that free tier.